Feeling stressed out and overwhelmed? Ever wish there was a simple way to bring more calm and focus into your life? Stay tuned because today, we're exploring the top 5 meditation tips for beginners that can transform your daily routine. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of meditation, a powerful practice that can help you reclaim your energy and find inner peace, especially after dealing with those draining interactions. Meditation can be a game changer, but starting out can be a bit overwhelming. Many beginners face the challenge of finding the right techniques and staying consistent. It's easy to feel frustrated when you don't see immediate results, or when your mind keeps wandering. But don't worry, that's completely normal. The key is to approach meditation with patience and the right mindset. Today, I'll be sharing the top 5 meditation tips that will help you ease into the practice and stick with it. Let's get into the first tip. Start small. Instead of aiming for long sessions right away, begin with just 5 minutes a day. Gradually increase the duration as you get more comfortable. This makes the habit easier to build and less daunting. Second, find a quiet space. Distractions can break your focus, so choose a peaceful spot where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room, your backyard, or even a quiet park. Third, focus on your breath. Your breath is a powerful anchor that keeps you grounded. Pay attention to each inhale and exhale, and whenever your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breathing. Fourth, be kind to yourself. It's natural for your mind to wander or for you to feel restless. Don't judge yourself. Meditation is a practice, and it's okay to have days where it feels harder. Lastly, use guided meditations. There are many apps and online resources with guided sessions that can help you stay on track and offer structure, especially when you're just starting out. The key moment in your meditation journey is when you start recognizing the benefits. You'll notice a sense of calm, improved focus, and better stress management. Remember, consistency is crucial. Even on days when it feels challenging, stick with it. The cumulative benefits will make a significant difference over time. So, to recap, start small, find a quiet space, focus on your breath, be kind to yourself, and use guided meditations. These tips will help you create a sustainable meditation practice that can transform your life. Have you tried meditation before? What's your experience been like? Share your stories in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on self-improvement and wellness. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.